Hi. Hi, Lucy. Hello. Hello, Lucy. Can you hear teacher? Hello, hello. Hello? Are you there? Hello. Can you hear teacher or no? Hmm. Okay, teacher will wait for you. Tell teacher if you're done, okay? Teacher can't hear you.
Hello,
Hello, good evening, Lucy, and welcome to our class for today. So, how are you today, Lucy?
I'm good.
Wow, that's your sister. How about you? Well,
Hey,
Hello. What's your sis?
hello.
What's your sister's name?
My name is Cindy.
Cindy?
Yeah,
Oh, you have a good pronunciation, huh? Okay. Hello again, Lucy. How are you? How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good to know. Did you already eat your dinner? Oh, oh no.
Yeah.
Hi. What did you eat for dinner?
Cũng chưa ăn, cũng chưa ăn tối nè. Mm,
What did you eat for dinner?
No. No.
Ano? Ah, you still haven't eat dinner?
Mới chờ là cái chữ này hả? Ừ. Chị mà mẹ em nói sai.
You still haven't eaten your dinner yet?
Bạn vẫn chưa ăn tối à?
No?
Yes.
Ah, really? Oh, okay. Because it's still too early. But are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Are
Dạ.
you ready? Ready, ready?
Go. Go.
Okay, go. So last time, we learned about two different categories in the picture that we can see right now. So we learned about people and activities. So again, what are the two categories that we've learned, Lucy? People, people and
Two.
activities.
Eight.
Okay, again, people, activities.
People activity.
Okay, so if you still remember, in this picture, who are the people? In this picture, Lucy, who are the people? Hmm.
Những người trong bức ảnh là ai?
Can you tell, teacher, who are the people in this picture?
A father.
Mm-hmm.
A
Father,
father. Sister.
sister,
Mother.
mother.
Brother.
Okay, very good. So father, sister, mother, and brother. Now, what do we call them? What do we call them? Mother, sister, brother, and father.
Chúng ta gọi chúng là gì?
It starts with letter F.
Họ.
Starts with letter F and with letter Y.
She. She.
Hmm? What do we call them?
Cái
We
gì?
we
Ý.
call them as fa, 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 fa,
Father.
fa.
Father.
Okay, again. So what do we call them? Mother, brother, sister, and father. What do we call them? We call them as fa, me, fa, me. Oh no, you forgot. You are the one who said this one. They are family. Okay, so in this picture, we have one family. So we have here the words here. So under the people, we have father, mother, girl or sister, boy, and we call them as family. So again, what do we call them, Lucy? What do we call them? What do we call them?
Chúng ta gọi chúng là gì?
Chúng ta gọi chúng là
We call them we call them fa
Fa- father, father,
father.
family.
Very good. So we call them family. So again, family, when we say family, so we have mother, father, sister, and brother. So this is family. And for this one, so we call this person people. They are people. So people are the ones we see in the picture. When we say people, so people are humans like us. Okay, teacher has a question for you, Lucy. Are you a people or a person? Are you a people or a person?
Bạn có phải là người hòa đồng, thích giao tiếp với mọi người không?
Are you,
No.
no, you're not a person. Okay, very good. You are a people. So Lucy is a people or person. So usually we use person if we talk about one person. We use people if we talk about many people. Okay, so those are person and people. Okay, so those are person and people. So again, people are humans like us, like teacher, like Lucy, and like Cindy. So your
What?
sister. What? People. People people
People.
are yes, people are humans like us. Like Lucy, Cindy, and teacher. We are people. Okay, again. Again, Lucy, are you a person or people? Yes or no? Are you a person?
What?
Are you a person or a people? Yes or no? Oh
No.
no. Huh? No. Oh
Yes, 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 yes,
no.
yes, 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 yes.
You're not listening, huh? You're not listening. Okay, when we say people, again, people, people, people are us, humans. Are you a people? Yes or no? Hmm.
No.
No again?
Yes.
Okay, yes, you are. You are a person. You are a people. Again, when we
Yes, yes, yes.
yes, when we say person, Lucy, we are talking about only one. Like teacher, teacher is one person. People, so when we say people, we are talking about many people. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand, Lucy?
What?
Okay, do you understand? Do you understand this one?
Bạn hiểu không?
Yes or no? Or do you have a question?
Bạn có câu hỏi nào không?
Do you have a question?
It's no.
Okay, so make sure to remember people are humans. So like us. Okay. Okay, so
Yes.
let's again review the second category that we had learned last time. So we have here activities. Again, let's say,
Activity.
wow, very good. Activities. So when we say activities, Lucy, activities are things that people does. So again, activities are the things that people do.
Hoạt động là những việc mà con người thực hiện.
Okay, things that people do. So like for example, let's take a look at the picture. So let's first read the sentence here or the first activity. So let's read play with a ball. Let's say play with a ball. Let's say hello. Let's say play, play
Play. Play
with.
with a ball.
Very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. Can you circle? Can you circle where is the word or where in the picture is play with a ball? Where is it in the picture? Where is play with a ball? Lucy, in the picture, in the picture, where is the word or phrase? Where is the phrase play with a ball? Hmm.
Trong bức tranh, cụm từ chơi với quả bóng nằm ở đâu?
Hmm. Where is it? Mhm. Can you circle? Circle, circle, circle. Where is play with a ball? Hmm. Okay, very good. So that one is the ball. Very good. So this one is a ball. But when we say play with the ball, so this one in the picture, so father and brother are playing with the ball. Okay, again, let's read father, father
Father
and brother
and brother
are playing
and the play game
with the ball.
with the ball.
Okay, so that's our first activity. So again, activity is what we do. How about you, Lucy? Do you play with a ball?
Bạn có chơi với quả bóng không?
Do you play with?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, what color is your ball? What color is your ball?
Quả bóng của bạn màu gì?
Hmm.
It's green.
Oh, it's green. Wow, that's good to know. Is that your favorite color?
Đó có phải là món bạn thích nhất không?
Is that your favorite color?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's very good. So again, our first phrase or activity is play with a ball. Okay. So again, Lucy, look at the picture. What is father and brother doing?
Bố và anh trai đang làm gì vậy?
Hmm.
It's football.
Okay, football or playing?
Play game.
Very
Football.
Oh, playing football. Very good. So let's make it in a sentence. So let's say father and brother are playing football. Okay, again, what is father and brother doing, Lucy?
Bố và anh trai đang làm gì vậy?
Is football. It's
Play.
playing football.
Very good. So again, let's say football. Football, not
Football.
football. Football. Okay. Very good. Football, not football. Okay, it's okay. So again, what is father and brother doing, Lucy? What is father and brother doing? Father and brother are playing with a ball. Okay, so that's it. That is our first activity. So now let's go back to our activities here. So now, since we have the first activity, so let's read what is our second activity. So can we read this one? Let's say sit on the blanket.
On the blanket.
Okay, again, sit
Sit
on the blanket.
on the blanket.
Okay, very good. So our second activity is sit on the blanket. Now, can you circle in the picture where or who is sitting on the blanket? In the picture, who can you circle? Can you circle who are sitting on the blanket? Very good. So who are they? Who are they, Lucy?
Họ là ai?
Who are they?
Nè.
Okay. So who are they? Who is this? Oh no. Who is this? Who is this? Or who?
It sits on the blanket.
Okay, very good. So mother and sister are sitting on the blanket. Very good. So now, so we have two activities that we learned. So let's review. So first, Lucy, what's our first activity? What's our first activity? What's our first activity?
Hoạt động đầu tiên của chúng ta là gì?
Is football.
Football? What is the word?
No. Is
Play
play
with.
play with a ball.
Very good. So that's our first activity. How about our second activity? This one. Second is what is this? What are they doing?
It sits on the blanket.
Wow, very good. Sit on the blanket. So those are our two activities. And now let's proceed on our third activity. So let's read, have a picnic.
Have a picnic.
Okay, very good. So when we say have a picnic, Lucy, so it is eating food or eating food outside. So when we say picnic, we eat food outside.
Ăn uống bên ngoài.
Okay, so that is. So now let's take a look at the picture. So can you circle? Can you circle? Where can we see have a picnic? Where is in the picture? Where is have a picnic?
Trong bức tranh, hoạt động đi dã ngoại nằm ở đâu?
Can you circle? Circle. Circle. Where is have a picnic? You can do it. Oh, yes. Okay, very good. That's so right. So this family or the family is having a picnic. So again, when we say picnic, so it is eating food outside, like what we can see in the picture. So they are eating the food or their food outside.
Dã ngoại là hoạt động ăn uống ở ngoài trời, giống như những gì chúng ta thấy trong bức ảnh.
Okay, so
Yeah.
again, yeah, so okay, again, Lucy, let's review the three activities. First, number one, what is the first activity? Again, what's the first activity? First activity is this one. Look at the picture. What is our first activity? What's our first activity?
Hoạt động đầu tiên của chúng ta là gì?
Hmm. What's our
Play push a ball.
very good? Play with a ball. What's our second activity?
Activity.
Hoạt động thứ hai của chúng ta là gì?
Sitting on the blanket.
Very good. Nice. Sit on the blanket or sitting on the blanket. How about this one? What is our third activity? What's our third?
Hoạt động thứ ba của chúng ta là gì?
Is have a picnic.
Okay, very good. Wow, you have a good memory. Okay, so again, let's review. We have two categories that we learned today. So we learn about people. So can you tell teacher again, who are the people in the picture? Can you tell teacher again, who are the people in the picture?
Xin hỏi lại, những người trong ảnh là ai?
Is brother, mother, sister, brother.
Okay, very good. Father, mother, sister, and brother. What do we call them? What do we call them?
Chúng ta gọi chúng là gì?
Is family.
Very good. They are family. Now, what are the three activities that we learned?
Ba hoạt động mà chúng ta đã học là gì?
What are the three activities? First is, what are the three activities? Number one is play. What are the three activities?
Ba hoạt động mà chúng ta đã học là gì?
Is play fish a ball.
Very good. Again, let's see. Play.
Play.
Yes, very good. Next is number two. What's our second? Number two activity. Second activity is, what is it?
It sit on the blanket.
Okay, very good. And for our last one, what's our third activity? What's our third activity?
We have a picnic.
Okay, very good. Wow, that's so nice that I can see that you are listening. So good job, good job. And for the next class, Lucy, so we will continue learning about the activities that we can see in the picture. Okay, so make sure to not forget the three activities. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Lucy, and see you again soon. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. I can see is it a makeup brush? Is it a makeup brush?
Đó có phải là cọ trang điểm không?
Is it the one that you do like? Yeah, I also have. Do you want to see? Do you want to see mine? Sure.
Bạn có muốn
Yes.
xem cái của tôi không?
Okay, I will just get.
Yes, yes.
I will just get. Where is that? Ah, this one. Ching, ching, ching.
Wow.
It's color pink also. Yeah, that's the only one that I have. Ah, I have a small one. Ching. It's
Wow.
small and the big.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, that's all that I have. Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much again, Lucy, and see you again next Thursday. Oh, so goodbye and thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Wait. Bye bye. How do you... Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.